What if you can turn a single idea into something your dog can actually wear in under an hour? That's what we're doing today, taking the new Creality SparkX i7 and using it to design and 3D print a custom dog tag for this dog, Milton. We'll go through the full process step by step, from creating the text to printing and finishing the final piece. Then we'll see how it actually looks on Milton once it's done. We've seen other 3D printers on the channel before, like the K2 from Creality. Now this one, the SparkX i7, it's a lot more user-friendly and it looks a lot less intimidating. So before we get started, just a few specs. The SparkX i7's biggest standout features are its fast printing speeds of up to 500 millimeters per second, tool-free part replacement, and 10 by 10 by 10 inch printing area to work with. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is go to crealitycloud.com and we're going to search for, let's try dog name tags. So we do get a bunch of options. So we're going to search free. Under filters, you get a lot more options. Once we filter it down, we've got all of these different options. We're gonna try this one. First thing we're gonna do is download this 3MF file. That'll go right to our downloads. Once we download it, you wanna go to Creality Print and we're going to start a new project. And then in order to get the file we just downloaded, we're just going to click this box here and this file. So we're going to open as a project, and now we have the bone. And also, if you wanna change the direction that you're looking at everything, you can press these buttons here. You can see the sides, fronts, all that. Now, since we're making this for Milton, we do want to add his name. So in order to do that, we're going to select the object and then we're going to scroll over to this A, or you can press T. That'll bring up the text box. And we're just going to decrease the size and change it to 8 millimeters. And so now we have two objects and we're going to change the color as well. So we're going to change the bone to white and we're going to make the text black. All right, so then we're going to send to print. We also want to make sure we have the right printer, so we're going to go down to this one, which is our SparkX i7. So yeah, we got the white bone, black font. All right, and then from there, we're just going to press start print, and it warns you to make sure there's nothing on the surface. So there isn't, and click OK. And now it's uploading to the printer. All right, and there it is. So you can see it's got a little bit of a border to it, but yeah, it looks good. So next, we're gonna go see what Milton thinks. So walking over to Milton, he got pretty excited because he did actually think it was a treat. And to be fair, it did look like one. But after getting it on him, he did seem to like it, so it went well. Now next time, we're going from a bone to a full 3D model with just a single picture with the SparkX i7. If you'd like one for yourself, click the link below, and we'll see you in the next one.